This particular event is what we call as a sales summit. This is an annual event where we bring together almost 35 to 40 of our sales leaders across all of North America. How do we make it easy to do business with Radwell?
Once we're in there, we're working with them strategically, where we're truly understanding what's happening on the plant floor. We've had customers that'll call us at, on Saturday at 2 a.m. No one else is open at that point. So we're solving problems before people even open their doors.
We are not a one solution provider. We provide 8 different solutions very well. So if they are maybe, on the outs of 1 or 2, there's another option that we can help them with. We can sell them brand new parts. We can buy their parts back from them. We can repair parts, and we're providing them more uptime. We're providing them savings, and we're really reducing their overall vendor count to make their lives a lot easier.
Most of the customers, when they reach out to us, either the line is down or whatever the case, an immediate or a fast response to them with the right solution is absolutely critical, and that's what we are focused on right now.